I do my homework. I'm doing my homework. Which one is correct? When should we use the present simple? And when should we use the present continuous? What's the difference between these two sentences? We're going to answer this question through movie clips examples. Present simple tense. 1. We use this tense to talk about facts and things that are always true.
They live in the water, we live on land.
They live in the water and we live on land. This is a fact that sea animals live in the water, and it's always true. And everyone knows that humans live on land. It's the fact, and it's always true. So we should use the present simple tense. Let's see another example.
The sun rises in the east.
The sun rises in the east. It's a fact and we all know it. So we should use the present simple. Two. The simple present tense is used when we talk about our routines and regular habit. It's permanent and it always happens.
She always tells me to smile and put on a happy face.
He used the present simple. She always tells me to smile and put on a happy face. After always, we use the present simple tense because it always happens and it's permanent.
This is why I wake up at the crack of dawn every day.
She said, "This is why I wake up at the crack of dawn every day." She used the present simple because it's her routine and it happens every day.
We come here every week.
We come here every week. She used the simple present tense because it's her routine and every week it happens. Negative sentences. I, you, we, they, plus don't. She, he, it, plus doesn't.
No, I don't eat fast food.
I don't eat fast food. He used don't because it's a negative sentence and it's his habit.
She doesn't know you yet, but she will.
She doesn't know you yet, but she will. As you see, she used doesn't after she to make it negative.
Kangaroos don't eat chocolate.
Kangaroos don't eat chocolate. She used don't because kangaroos is a plural noun, and after plural nouns, we should use don't. What are the common time expressions used with the present simple tense? Always, often, sometimes, never, every day, every week, every year, once a week, twice a day, 3 times a month, in the morning, at night, in the afternoon. Present continuous tense. 1. We use the present continuous tense when an action is happening right now.
I'm doing my homework.
I'm doing my homework. She's so angry, and she means that she's doing her homework right now and at the moment.
Charlie, it's snowing. How lovely.
She's looking at the sky and says it's snowing. It means that it's snowing right now and I can see it. Two. The present continuous tense is used when an action is in progress. It's not happening exactly at the moment, but it happens around the time of speaking. It's temporary. It means that it doesn't always happen.
I understand. We're working on it.
I understand. We're working on it. He doesn't mean that they're working on it right now. Actually, it means that it's happening these days and around the time of speaking.
And Frank, they're learning vocabulary, grammar, writing, poetry.
They're learning vocabulary, grammar, writing, poetry. She doesn't mean that they're learning all of them right now and at the moment. Actually, she meant that they're learning them these days. Negative sentences. I plus am not or I'm not. You, we, they plus are not. She, he, it plus is not.
And if they don't have the book, then they're not having this conversation right now.
They're not having this conversation right now. It's a negative sentence, so we should use are plus not. And because it's happening right now, we should use the present continuous.
I'm really pretty sure I'm not learning anything from this.
Hey, there's Bert Flieger!
He said, I'm really pretty sure I'm not learning anything from this. He used the present continuous tense because he was not learning anything in the car. That moment, he was not learning anything. We add not to am to make it negative.
You saw a Mercedes heading north.
No, he's not driving right now. Look at him.
He's not driving right now. He added not to is to make it negative. And because the car is behind them, they understand that he's not driving right now, and they use the present continuous tense. What are the common time expressions used with the present continuous tense? Right now, now. At the moment, at this time. Today, this morning, this evening, this week, this year, and these days.